Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing MSP and I'm going to show you how to write cute on MSP. This is my own style, so if you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. So yeah, let's type in my password before we get into the whole video. My next video is about a pack hunter. I'm going to type in a pack hunter in. One sec, I'm moving that over here. Comfortable. That's better. I'm logging in. I don't know what mistake it is. My YouTube is let's hit MP with a real girl with blonde hair. Because there's a lot of Lexus. Okay. I don't know what that was. Here we go, we're going to spin these dice and get to level 11 and see what we get, guys. Look how close we are. Only one touch. We'll get lots of money. My last video, you guys enjoyed it, so I'm going to do the Packer Hunter in my next video. Yeah, right down these and this. Oh my god, I don't want to go on here. Honey, no. Honey, no. Look at these, look at this. Coins. I want coins. Though I don't realize that I'm a jury. I'm a jury. Okay, let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, this is gonna be way better. I filled up the piggy bank. Cause if we realize that I'm just waiting to empty the piggy bank. Smash it open and it all comes. Okay, there's lots of coins. Oh my god! I might just have to go. We're gonna get on to level 11 and see if we get a rare, because last time I got a rare. And there's crate sharks, because I got no slime this one, guys. Maybe you can see it better now, it's so squishy. All the autographs. And I can clean them from here. Okay, you stop taking forever. Just okay. Oh, it's 100. Oh my god, I don't get that. Okay, I've got 2 more, but maybe that order. Someone gave me a green. Okay. This. Okay, someone gave me a green the other day, and I was really happy. Oh, it's gonna get me onto level 12, isn't it? Yeah, that's gonna get me onto level 12, I swear. We've got a lot. Unless it doesn't. That always sucks, but I'm grateful. Oh, I'm level 11, let's see what we get. Okay. I wasn't expecting this. Maybe I'll just stick with this. Like that. Level 11, I guess, put on. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to show you how to look pretty. Head to bottom. We're going to start with face. So, yeah. Let's start with face. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to ask my people on my phone about the eyes. So yeah, long lashes or no eyelashes. So yeah, well, I'm going to ask my friends. So yeah. Hi, long lashes or no lashes. I've said it. Can you see that? Okay. I don't know why I said so. I like it. Let's just wait for her to say what she said. Okay, I'll get to you in a minute when she's texting. Mom, long lashes or small lashes?
Long lashes.
None of my friends would reply, so I might as well ask my mom. Okay, let's go for the long lashes. I think we're staying with this. Okay, let's go with eyeshadow. Any eyeshadow, Mum, or no eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow.
Okay. Let's go with this one then. Oh, that looks so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. I look so pretty. Guess we buy that. We first up for those lips. Let's go with lips. Big lips or small lips?
Big lips.
Like your type of lips?
Yeah, my type of lips.
Or like skinny?
No.
Okay. Sticking with this. So yeah. So we just agreed. Okay. Well, that was a nice color, like green. Okay. Let's go with this nice, awesome pink. Cause we realize the stars. Okay, let's do skin. Tan, Mom, or just pale? Ugh. Okay, I think we've done with the face. Okay, we're done with the face. Let's go to clothing. I guess it's Okay, so yeah, I'm in this cake at the moment. None of my friends are replying. And I love it, I hate you, and I won't replace you. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm bored. Okay, we're having that. She really just going like straight up. I look so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, where's a cute top? I need a cute top. I need diamond tops. I need a cute top. If I don't find a cute top, I'm going to scream. Okay. That's cute, and it's diamonds, by the way. What color is that? Oh my god. Let's go buy that layer one. That's awesome. Cause if we realize stars. What? I look so cute. Why can't I afford things? I need something nice to go with that. Maybe some like jeans. I do have ripped jeans that are just in my inventory, and I don't want to put them on because I want to this video. I want to waste my money. Huh? That's funny. Does that look okay? I don't know. Pink shorts. Doesn't look okay. Good. I put the most pretty. Should we see what people say about it? Like, just see what they think about my horrible outfit. I don't want them on my wish, by the way. Here we go. Guess that's what we're wearing to a car. Okay, I'm done, and we're going to see what people say. So yeah, let's go to a chat room and see what people say. I'm scared. I feel like I can like kill you. Like, I love it, I can't believe it. I feel sick, Bob. I don't want to eat one of these. Yeah! Oh yeah! You gotta get Swiffy! Gotta get Swiffy! Okay, I'm here. No one's complaining. Chick. Okay, I'm not a chick first. We're in Platinum. I'm gonna be sad. No one likes me. No, I'm sad. No, I'm sad. No one likes me. No one likes me. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh my god. How? Okay, what level is she on, honey? Honey. She's not that rich. Okay, that's like 400. She's not that rich. Yes. Now I'm going to do something. I keep on getting closer and I'm like angry. You are the house, baby. I'm just single. I'm single. Gotta get Swippy. Gotta get Swippy. I'm not being annoying. Send gift for mail time now, huh? Why I'm recording. Say hi. Yeah, thanks for being fun. Huh? Yeah, so like that was the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed because I don't know, I just get angry in the car. I want to get even angrier. I'll move this a little better. Move. Wow. I gotta get heavy in here. What should you do? Ooh. Oh my god. Lexi MSK. It's a bit of a girl with blonde hair. Thanks for checking it out. Okay, she's so nice, guys. Shout out to her. 1 second, you're getting a shout out. Kidding. You're getting a shout out. Okay, her name is Flip Eater. Go at her. She is amazing. She will subscribe to all your guys' YouTube channel. She deserves the best. Go follow her, please. And thank you for this. It's just so... I'm just going to start off in the car. Oh, she's so sweet. Guys, tap on her profile, follow her, tap on her,